Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The first one was so fun to design. It is our big Jingle bell folded. Now, I added a little extra to this one because you know me, that's how I am. But I've added some sprigs of pine needles, which are so fun. And let me just show you how gorgeous those little pine needles make it look. Now, the stars are optional, but the bottom of the bell, you kind of have to have the bottom of the bell to make the bell, right? Those stay, but the stars are optional. And look how fun that is. Here's another example. Oh, speaking of peace, we're also releasing these new dies, Joy and Peace, that go perfectly, can I just say perfectly, with this die set. Now, if you want it to stand, see how they're kind of rolling? Let me show you a trick. You're going to take your die. Once you've die cut it, you're going to take the very, very bottom and you're going to make a little, ever so little. Like I'm literally cutting off like a slice. See how much? Now watch. Ta-da! Look how much I cut off, you guys. That's like not even a fingernail amount, right? That you would cut off, but it's perfect. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Here's another one. Ooh, turned into an ornament. How fun is that? I love it. Ooh, and look how pretty and special this one is. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous. Now, you can do more with those words. Here we go. How about peace? Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Or use those sprigs and make joy. Love it. Here's another one, joy. Look how fun that is on those cards. Now, let's look at a couple more. Oh, and we're also releasing this Argyle background die. Look at how stunning that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Our design team used it quite a bit. Look at this one. Love that with the cactus. Oh, or use our cute little winter birds with it. Goes perfectly with the winter birds, doesn't it? It just really, really does. Here's another one with the winter birds, but in a different color. And another one. So adorable. Now, club members, you know the deal. You know the rules. You get 15 to 20% off these products. If you also get them the first 24 hours they're on the website, what does that mean? That means flash sale. Yes, I said it, flash sale. So not only do you get the everyday low price, you get the flash sale price and the club discount. I know. Stack those discounts. It's pretty awesome. And let me just tell you, these Jingle Bells are so much fun. Go to the website, thestampsoflife.com. Again, the first 24 hours, they're on flash sale or until sold out. So hurry, run, go now. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.